In this video, I'm giving you a very powerful technique that will enhance your power of manifestation and that will inspire you to manifest more. It's 24 hours manifestation technique. Yes, I'm going to give you the plan and the technique through which you are going to have some manifestation within next 24 hours. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm so happy and excited to welcome all of you to our awesome tribe. And today I am giving you a very powerful technique. So far I have given you amazing techniques like the telepathy technique, and then the 2-cup method, 555 technique, and then how to attract a call or a text from someone specific. And I'm so happy to see so many of you have manifested your desires, and tons of success stories you have shared, manifestation stories you have shared in the comment section of all those videos. Now we are going to strengthen your manifestation technique to next level through this video. Now those of you who are new here, welcome to our awesome tribe. I am AJ. I'm a law of attraction coach, and I help people manifest their goals, desires and dreams using the law of attraction and power of subconscious mind. So guys, are you ready to manifest something in next 24 hours? Because this technique is like strengthening your manifestation muscle. Like when you go to the gym or when you are running, how do you strengthen yourself? By practicing, right? And with time you strengthen, you increase your strength, you go better and better, and you start doing more and more things. Same way, so many of you have tried different techniques and are manifesting, and today we are going to take it to next level. So this is 24 hours manifestation technique. If you are excited for this video or to learn this technique, do let me know in the comment section that yes, Eze, I'm ready for it, I'm into the game. Because why? This is more than a technique, this is a challenge, or this is a test for you, because I want all of you to push yourself to the next level, to take yourself to the next level, so that you can create so much of manifestation that you will be aware about how much power you have within you. Each one of you is amazing. Each one of you have immense power within you, and that's the gift that we have received from God, universe, higher source. So we are going to take it to the next level today, right? So what you are going to do in this 24 hours technique, the most important thing is faith. Yes, consider it, faith is your superpower, because if you don't have faith, then you are not going to use it, you are not going to do it the right way. You keep doubting, and when you doubt on something, means you are putting faith on the negative outcome. When you are putting your faith on the positive outcome, that's where you get the positive outcome. Remember the law of attraction. Whatever you focus, you manifest. If you focus on the positive outcome, you will get the positive outcome. If you focus on the negative outcome, or if you focus on the fears, doubts and negativities, you will get negative outcome. So here is the technique. So the very first thing, like in any technique or any manifestation process, you should know what you are manifesting. You should know that what you are going to manifest. So your first number one step is think about your desire, get clear what you want to manifest. Now when I say what you want to manifest, it varies from people to people. If you are a very good manifester so far, and if most of the techniques are working for you very well, it means your faith is very strong, your positivity is very strong, and you believe in yourself, you believe in the law of attraction, you believe in the universe. So you can set even bigger goals. Those of you who are struggling, you need to understand this point here. Those of you who are struggling and not manifesting anything, It's because you have a lot of resistance, you have a lot of fears, doubts and negativities, and you are not able to think positive. So for all of you, you start with small. It's like you are preparing for a marathon, and if you are a regular runner, you can practice more. If you are not a runner, or if you have never run in your life, or you are overweight, or if you are unhealthy, then you start slowly. Same thing applies to manifestation process. If you are manifesting really well, the desire should be a big one, it should be an amazing one, it should be an interesting one. If you are not manifesting, start with small. So you can think about receiving a gift, you can think about receiving a text message, you can think about receiving a call, you can think about manifesting a meeting with someone special, you can think about receiving a bunch of roses or chocolate. If you are a very good manifester and manifestation is happening really well, then you can think about manifesting a new phone, manifesting a new job, manifesting more money. But let's suppose you are struggling, then you think about a smaller amount of money, maybe $100, maybe $50, or maybe 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. Start with something small. So you choose accordingly a desire where you don't feel doubtful. The indicator, how to choose a desire, the indicator should be you should not feel fearful, you should not feel doubtful, you should not get scared, you should not feel that, oh my God, I don't know it is going to come true or not. If you feel like this, don't choose that desire, start with something else. So first choose your desire, that's the first step. Now the second step is take a small piece of paper, or you can take a post-it pad like this. Don't take a bigger piece of paper, because take a small one, and there you are going to write that desire. So you can take a post-it pad, or you can just take a bigger piece of paper and cut short and take a small card. Or if you have a business card, you can take your business card and look at it like the blank side. So that is the second step. Now the third step is write your desire that you want to manifest here. And how should you write? You should write that I am receiving, and then write whatever you desire. I am receiving. Because why you are saying I am receiving? When you say I am receiving, means you are ready to receive from the universe. When you say I want to achieve or I want to get it, sometimes it creates resistance within you, because you started feeling, oh, how am I going to achieve? How am I going to receive it? But when you say I am receiving, means you are ready to receive, means the universe is going to give it to you through some people, through some opportunities. Something will happen and you are ready to receive. When you are in the receiving mode, means the resistance is almost nil. So that is why today you are not going to write I am having, achieving, creating, success and all these things. You are just sticking to one thing, I am receiving whatever desire you have. I am receiving a call from this person, or I am receiving a meeting opportunity with this person, or I am receiving a bunch of roses, I am receiving $100, I am receiving 1,000 rupees, I am receiving 5,000 rupees, I am receiving an interview call for my dream job, I am receiving a new gift, I am receiving some surprises. Or those of you who don't have anything in mind, then you can say I am receiving a surprise gift or opportunity from the universe, and you let the universe do it in an interesting way for you. So that's the third step. You write your desire as I am receiving. Now the fourth step, and you can do this process along with me while watching this video. Only if you are driving or working on some machine or something, then don't do it. Otherwise, if you are at home or in your office and you are free, I want you to pause this video at this moment and go get a piece of paper or a post-it pad and do these three things. Think about your desire, then write your desire as I am receiving. Once you are done with that, then play the video, because the next step is hold that piece of paper or that paper where you have written your desire, hold it in your hand like this. And the next step is the most critical step. It's you have to be in a relaxed state. You can sit comfortably on a couch, or you can, even if you are at home, you can lie down on your bed, or you can lie down on your yoga mat, and you have to be really relaxed, because this is the key. Most people who are not manifesting, it's because they are so uncomfortable, they have so much of resistance and stress and anxiety in their body that their mind is not ready to function properly, their mind is not ready to manifest. So the fifth step is hold it and then relax. Relax completely. You can take few rounds of breathing, breathe in, breathe out, and relax completely. So if you are doing along with me, just relax yourself now. Inhale and exhale. At least do it 3 rounds of breathing. Inhale, exhale, deeply. And when you are relaxed, then you look at what you have written and read it slowly inside your head, inside your heart, and read it and feel it that you are receiving it. You are getting this call and how joyful you are meeting this person, how joyful you are receiving this amount of money, how joyful you are getting this opportunity, how joyful you are. Try to feel that moment while looking at that desire that you have written on the paper, and feel it. Be joyful, smile, be joyful and smile. And at one point of time, you feel so comfortable, you feel like it's happening right this moment, and you feel like closing your eyes. At that point, just close your eyes. You can keep holding the paper in your hand, or you can keep it aside, and just close your eyes and feel that moment as if it's done, it's happened right now. So feel this moment as if the manifestation is happening right now, as if the receiving moment is this moment. Feel so joyfully and feel joyful, smile, be happy, and go into that mode for next 3 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Or if you feel like taking a nap in this joyful moment, go take a nap, sleep for a while, so that this desire will go deep inside your subconscious mind and it will connect with the universe. And then the universe will do the rearrangement to bring it into your existence. This is the powerful process. This is the powerful process. That is the 6th step. Relax and feel it. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Go into that mode. Let that desire sink into your subconscious mind. My friend, this is a very powerful process. And when you do it with happiness, when you do it with relaxation, you will see magic happening in your life. And when you are done with this process right now, or if you are working on something and you are not able to do it, still one more time you are going to do this process is at night before going to sleep. Yes, even if it's daytime or evening time and you did it once, still again keep your dream, that note or that paper where you have written your dream, keep it with you, and at night, tonight when you go to sleep, either you can replay this video one more time and you do it with me, or if you remember the step, just lie down in your bed, hold this paper and keep feeling it that yes, you are receiving it, you are receiving it, you are receiving it. And in that moment, go to sleep with a smile, with a joyful heart, with a magical moment. And then tomorrow morning when you wake up, be happy, be joyful, and you can again read your desire tomorrow morning and just thank the universe that thank you universe, yes, I'm ready to manifest it. Now this is the process, and this is a very powerful process. And remember, the key points in this process are having faith, because faith is your superpower, then choosing a desire where you don't have resistance. Why? Because you choose a desire where you don't have resistance, manifest it, and then take it to next level, Then relaxation is the key, and while relaxing, you think about this desire, you read your desire, bring in the happiness, smile, joyful, be happy, be excited, and then the law of attraction, the universe will do the magic for you. So this is the process, and I am sure that all of you are going to manifest so many of your desire in next 24 hours, and it's going to be super magical. Don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your desire, don't doubt the law of attraction, because magic happens when you have faith. So that's the best part of this manifestation process. Right now, I want you to write in the comment section and let me know, let the universe know, and let your subconscious mind know that yes, you are manifesting. And if you have your desire, then write that yes, I am receiving, and you can write your desire, or just you can write that yes, AJ, I have done it and I am manifesting it. And after 24 hours, when you will manifest, you come back and share your manifestation. And let me tell you, so many of you are going to manifest this within 24 hours. Some of you may manifest little after 24 hours, but for most of you, if you don't have resistance, if you don't have negativities, you will manifest within 24 hours and come back and share it. Even some of you manifest within 2 or 3 hours of time frame. So are you excited for it? I'm sure you are. Go for it. And if this video has inspired you, if this video has give you the goosebump, if this video has give you the kick, then let me know in the comment section, because I'm so excited to see all of you manifesting your desire. Let's do it, right? Let's do it. So Awesome Tribe, thank you for all your love and support. And those of you who are new here, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and be a part of our Awesome Tribe. And those of you who are in our journey, like, share this video, share with other people, comment, and let me know how magical this experience was. And if you are excited to join and learn more manifestation techniques and manifest your goals, desires and dreams, then you know it that we have a 22 days powerful WhatsApp program called Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description section and let's start the journey. Thank you.